Hey gang, welcome back to OPA'S Diecast Restoration. Before we get started, if you like my videos, please hit that subscribe button. I have more to come. Today we're going to do a restoration on a Hot Wheels Drifsta. That's what it says on the bottom. It was found in a box in an abandoned storage locker at a local U-Haul and given to me. Wheels are all rusted up. They won't turn. So we're going to be doing a wheel swap. First, we get her into our favorite stripper after we have taken it apart. That must have got corrupted because I had filmed it originally. Little shake for good luck, as Lee says. Snap off these plastic tabs. Going to put new axle tubes and everything in it. See how corroded and gummed up they are. Here I'm attempting to show you me putting the white primer on it. Once I get my shop totally set up, I'll have a spray booth with the light in it and everything, so be able to get a little better visual. And I'm getting ready to spray my Purplicious metallic on here. Sorry for that interruption. It was Big Charlie calling me from the road. Here we are throwing all of our pieces in. This thing was really, really cruddy, and I mean packed with dirt, carpet fuzz. I really am scrubbing it hard here, I think you can tell. I guess this was supposed to be some kind of Hot Wheels idea of a drift car. The reason I went with the Purplicious because of this yellow windshield that I'm dipping in the pledge. Seems like the yellow windows go better with purple and green cars. Quick look after the axle tubes have been glued in. You can see where I filed the little holes in the axle tubes here. After I get the wheels in and lined up, I'll drip a little drop of thin CA glue. Here's what we started with. Dirty, chipped up, well-used, rusted wheels, gummed wheels, Hot Wheels Drifsta. 'Cause this is what we ended up with. Purplicious. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. For now, this is OPA saying goodbye. Look at all those wonderful details. Got the tail lights in it. Got the headlights in it. And an orange decal and number. Again, goodbye.